This will be really quick. AREC, they mine rare earth minerals. This is based on the news, listening to the Yellen confirmation. So this is something that was mentioned a couple different times about just EV, and more specifically the manufacture of lithium-ion batteries that need to be in the United States so we can take advantage of that. Their concern was that there are so many manufacturing plants popping up in China and America doesn't have a chunk of it. So it has popped up here. I grabbed them at 224. It is currently 239. This is going to be a swing trade at minimum, possibly a little bit longer term holding. Just wanted to throw this out there in case anybody wants to get in on it, just like the couple others that I called out a little while ago, I believe a couple weeks ago, which were Cassie Pharmaceuticals. They're up $3.45. We grabbed them at $3. So that is that's given back already 15%. We've made $2.25 on that, and LXU, which is up $407. Both have turned out to be very good plays. All right, guys, make a lot of money.